I hear this very often that live a life without regrets. Now, as a psychologist, let me tell you that that is not possible because unless you have regrets, how will you ever know where you went wrong? So, I'd like to share a very different perspective on regret, which I understood after reading the book, The Power of Regret by Dan Levine, where he states that disappointment happens when something beyond your control goes wrong. Exam that you worked hard for, but the paper leaked, your life went wrong. Whereas regret means that, that feeling where you messed up, you made a mistake. For example, the exam that you did not prepare for, gave it and failed. It's almost like telling yourself, if I could do it again, I would do it differently. And it is this awareness that leads to change and action. So regret is actually awareness, responsibility, and growth. So regret is not all that bad. In fact, children who regret a lot take better decisions as adults. Adults who own up to their mistakes actually build better bonds. And people who can imagine their future regrets have better control over impulsive. So here, regret is not all that bad. In fact, it helps you pause, reflect, and correct. And in fact, every time you regret, remember, you have a conscience. It's a thing that you cared about. It is something that you value. It's something that you aspired and you had goals attached to it. Right? So regret is not an enemy, it's a feedback system. It's a teacher trying to tell you where you went wrong and also getting a little closer towards who you truly are. Wait for my next video where I will share how you can overcome this feeling of regret.